Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Bohol is an island province of the Philippines in Central Visayas. It is home to Boholano people. Its capital is Tagbilaran, the largest city of the province. The province is a popular tourist destination with its beaches and resorts. The most popular tourist attractions in Bohol are the Chocolate Hills, Panglao Island, and the world's smallest primates indigenous to the island, the Philippine Tarsier. Previously, we visited the breathtaking Bansayan Island in the northern part of Cebu. Today is another travel journey to create unforgettable memories. It is a reality that another dream came true to see the beautiful island, especially Panglao. Thus, sit back, relax, and enjoy this travel video with a full travel guide, tips, and expenses.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Trying new things in life is scary, but you will never know who you are unless you try. That is why I chose to travel to challenge myself, to escape from loneliness, to expand my perspective and appreciate the beauty of life. My name is Lito Hakosa and I am your Biyaherong Manok.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Alright. Christine Comey.
Right after our countryside tour, before heading to our accommodation near Alona Beach, we first visited the Hinagdanan Cave. The entrance fee was only 50 pesos per head. If you want to swim, you have to pay 125 pesos.
sa lupain niya po. Then accidentally, nakita niya yung butas. Yun o. Yeah. Then, na-curious po siya, parang nasa ilalim. Kaya naghulog siya ng bato. And then, nakarinig siya ng splash ng water. So, binaba niya. Gamit siya ng hagdan. That's why the cave is called Hinagdanan na. Ang English ladder cave. Yes. And then, mga 1978 po, wala pa yung butas na yan. May malaking punong kahoy yan na namatay. Then, yung roots niya, ma'am, na buwan, kaya may naiwan na butas. Yan ang butas niya. So, sa ngayon po, dyan dumadaan yung mga walang ticket.
Grabe, sobrang ganda ng cave na to. At yung history niya kung paano siya na-discover, very promising yung story niya. As in, sobrang masasabi mo talaga na, oh, okay, it makes sense na ganun pala. Kaya siya tinawag na Hinagdanan Cave. We did not stay longer inside the cave. As expected, it was too warm. We headed to our accommodation, which is Sea Pearl of Alona. Sir Marvin, thank you so much. Thank you sa countryside tour. We booked it through Agoda for only 1,465 pesos for 2 persons including breakfast. So we got our key now and this is our accommodation. Yan, ganito ganda yung accommodation namin and we are going to our room. Ganda ng dito. On our way to our room. Ito po yung thank you so much. Opo, kasama yun. Arigato sa imo po.
What time ang breakfast dito?
6:30 to 10.
So now, let's get inside. Oops. Baga na to. Oh, ayan. Ano ba yan? Nasaan na? Ano yung nalaglag? May nalaglag. There's something na nalaglag. Ah, ito lang pala eh. Do not disturb. Clean up room. Lagyan na natin dito. Ay, wait lang.
Bob. Ana. Burn out.
Ay, hindi. Ba't parang glim? So, this is our room. So, come on, get inside.
It's so nice. Amazing.
There you are. Ayan. Tapos ano to? Ah, ito yung sa view sa swimming pool.
Dapat diretso ko
Pangit naman nun. Wala eh. Yun lang, ito lang available eh. Pero carry lang. Pag-video ako dyan mamaya. excuse me. So, ito yung panonoorin namin. And this is our bed. Woo! Wow! There you are. This is our table kung saan kakain kami for our breakfast. Yung mirror namin. Let's check the restroom. Wow! Pang malakasan yung restroom, yung bathroom namin. Wow! Yun o. Ay, ulitin ko na. Sorry. Yan. Kasama o. Isa pang pintuan dito eh. Ano kaya to? Dito naman kami kung saan kami tatae. Ayan. Okay, so separate siya. Aray, itong place na to, perfect to sa mga sa mga content creators sa X, if you know what I mean. Hindi mo alam yung X? Innocent ito eh. Former Twitter. Wala na kasi yung Twitter and then na-change na siya to X. So ayan, accommodation namin. And guess what? 1,800 pesos lang to na nabook namin sa Agoda. At kagabi lang namin to nabook eh. Yun, tapos nagkataon may promo, kaya ayun, grab ko na agad, binook ko na agad. Ayan. Yeah, sarap matulog mamaya. Since Chiki-kun crashed during our Lobok River cruise, I had to check if there was a huge damage. What's up mga katitilaok? So, nandito na kami sa accommodation namin. This is 300 meters away from Alona Beach. And ngayon, gusto kong i-check yung drone ko, which is si Chiki-kun, kung ano nga ba yung damage na natamo niya. Kasi kanina lang nung during Lobok River cruise, nagkaroon ng issue yung yung paglanding ko, which is I think fault ko naman talaga siya. I admit, kasalanan ko talaga siya. Kasi I was not ready na i-land si Chiki-kun, yung drone ko na DJI Air 3, kung paano mag-land while yung boat is moving. Kasi bago pa man talaga nangyari yun, naka-stop muna yung boat namin kasi merong presentation silang inihandog para sa aming mga tourists. And then I grabbed that chance na magpalipad ng drone para maganda yung kuha. And unfortunately, I asked naman kay ate, yung sa mga sa mga crew doon, na matagal pa po ba yung presentation? Sabi naman ni nanay, oo, matagal pa to kasi may mga sasayaw pa, may gusto pang something like that. Kung may, ang nangyari kasi is, walang may gustong mag-join doon sa mga presenters. So, biglang natapos, biglang thank you agad. Tapos yung drone ko, malayo, sobrang layo. Tapos without letting them know, nagtanong ako, siguro hindi nila alam na nagpalipad ako, pero nagpaalam naman ako nun eh. Tapos ayun, doon ako nataranta kasi the boat was moving. Tapos yung drone ko na si Chiki-kun, nandoon pa sa river, malayo-layo pa siya. Tapos sinubukan ko na, tapos dumating yung point na nataranta na ako, kinabahan ako, natakot ako, like hindi ko na talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko. Tapos I made it sure na si Chiki-kun hindi siya mapupunta dun sa river, dun sa tubig. I made it sure na makakapasok siya sa boat namin. At ayun, ang ginawa ko na lang siya is crinash ko na lang siya doon sa parang pader sa loob ng boat. Buti na lang hindi ako nakapag-endure. Pero yung na-damage lang talaga is yung drone ko. Nasira yung propellers, tapos may gas-gas na yung gimbal. So hindi rin ako sure kung may damage din sa gimbal ko. It was my fault naman, no? After all, na-warningan na ako sa umpisa pa lang na marami ng drone incident dyan sa river cruise na natapon sa tubig. Na biglang naglanding na sa tubig or nasira or something like that. Nag-goodbye na sa kanila yung mga drones nila. Pero sa situation ko, kanina lang, I was so, maswerte pa ako sa nangyari na yon. Pero lesson learned, I mean, I have learned my lesson. Siguro pag-aaralan ko masyado kung paano mag-landing ng drone ko or paano ko i-land si Chikikon while yung home point ko is moving. Yun ang something na pag-aaralan ko. I think it's very challenging for me na matutunan ko yun as a beginner. But I'm willing to learn. After all, we all learn from our mistakes. Tapos, hindi ka rin naman siguro, hindi naman lahat ng lipad perfect. Darating at darating talaga yung time na mararanasan yung ganung bagay para mas lalo kang matutunan, para mas lalo kang matuto, at para mas lalo kang mag-ingat. So ito yung damage na natamo sa drone ko. Yung propeller niya silang sira na. Kasi dapat may orange to eh. Ito ganito na siya. Pati din yung black propeller sira na. Tapos ito, ayun kung makikita nyo, ito, damage na siya. Saan pa? So mukhang okay pa naman ata. Hindi ako sure, pero sana nga okay pa. Pero ito nakikita nyo. Ito. Yan, nakapangit na siya. Kaya kung ako matatanggal ko to, wala na, damage talaga siya. Sana magawan to ng paraan. Pupunta ako sa service center ng DJI. Baka magawan pa to ng paraan. So now, i-test ko siya kung makakalipad pa, pero papalitan ko muna yung propellers. Alright, I was able to unlock na. So, nakapagkuha na ako ng request for authorization to unlock the GeoZone, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, let's start kung maano pa siya. Kung mapapalipad pa natin siya. Yay! Gumagana pa naman siya. Try natin to. Oh, yung joystick ayaw na gumana. Ito na, gumagana na. I have to check yung joystick. Hindi ko na siya makontrol, guys. Sinubukan ko, ayaw niya. Nakalipad na lang talaga siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko siya nag-crash. Yung drone talaga yung nag-crash. So, ilan ko na siya. Ilan ko na siya. Manual. Go, go, go. Ayaw niya mag-land. Ayaw niya ng ano, hindi siya makontrol ng joystick ko. Yeah, it's my joystick. Yung problema dito sa remote control ko. And nagtataka ako kasi calibrated naman to eh. Yung RC control ko, it was calibrated successfully. I saw it in my eyes, in my two eyes. Calibrated talaga siya successfully. So hindi siya gumagana. I'm so sad. So, remote control calibration success. Let me try sa labas. Pwede kayo lumabas dito? Ayun. Pwede pala lumabas dito eh.
Uy, hindi ka kumakad ko. Mga sunset na.
4:37 pala, wala pang sunset na.
Magbabaktas pa kita.
Masakay kita, di kita magbabaktas.
Anak, cellphone.
So, punta tayo sa labas, i-try natin, kinalibrate ko na yung RC, yung remote control ko sa drone ko. And then, i-try natin kung gagana. Basta, sigurado ako na inano ko yun, kinalibrate ko yun. Tigilan nyo ako, DJ Aya. So, dito tayo para walang obstacle. So, dito ko siya ilalagay. Oops, sabi ko muna. So, dito. Dito tayo, walang obstacle. So, try natin dito magpa-lipad. Dito na lang kasi maganda yung view. Ayan. Gawin natin yung lang po konti. Tapos lang dito konti. So, tapos pa konti. Aircraft not connected to RC. Sorry na. Ito lang. Okay. So, let's try kung gagana. Alright, so let's try. So I'm going to take off na. So let's try kung okay pa siya after the crash. Okay, so try ko na yung joystick. Oh, it's working na.
I'm running out of friends inside my head, like losing power. The shadows start to spread. This food is sour, tastes different when you're dead. I need a shower, cold water on my head. I'm running out of friends inside my mind. I'm drinking out of Coronas with a lime. My thoughts get louder, and I forgot the time. I listen out of my headphones to